Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix QuickBooks accounting app not working. So, what you will have to do first is to ensure that you actually have the full version of QuickBooks or that you're using the right plan so that you will have full access to all of its features and actually do all these steps. So, first, you will close the QuickBooks app or start your computer or device or and after that, you could also clear your browser cache if you're using your QuickBooks Online. Step 3, you could also update your QuickBooks to the latest 2025 version or to the latest version that there is, and then you will just have to check help or update QuickBooks. But if it's still not working, you could also repair the installation itself or reinstall the app. And by the way, you will have to ensure that you have a stable internet connection and you should disable VPN and firewall that may block QuickBooks. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.